Write down. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. Ansuman, Khushi, but all of you write down today grammar lesson. He is writing a letter. Okay? Written. He
Yes,
is
sir.
he is writing a letter. The the labors, Labours, the labors are the labors are cleaning the room. The labors are cleaning the room. Okay. Return. Mohan is polishing the shoes. Mohan is. Open your video. Open. Mohan is. If you like, you can open your video. Mohan is. Mohan is polishing the shoes. हो गया? Who has broken the window? Write down. Who has broken the window? Written. Nikhil. Who has broken the window? Done. Please speak.
Yes, sir. Written.
I will next. I will compose a poem. I will compose a poem. I will compose a poem. Written. The farmers
Yes, sir.
the farmers plowed the field. The farmers plowed the field. The farmers plowed. Ploughed. The farmers plowed the field. You can win the prize. Next, the farmer plowed the field. You can win. You can win the prize. You can win the prize. Ram has helped his friends. Next, Ram has helped his friends. Return, Nikhil, go on speaking. Nikhil and Sudhanshu. अंशुमान
Sir, Ram has
क्या बोले? राम हैज, कुछ भी लिख दो ना। राम हैज painted the picture. Ram has painted the picture. Ram has painted the picture. Written? Ram has painted the picture. You will help your friend. बोलते जाओ निखिल, जब हो जाएगा बोलोगे। Ram has Ram has Ram has painted the picture. Over. Who wrote the Ramayana? Who wrote the Ramayana? Written? Who wrote the Ramayana? Written. The teacher has finished this chapter. The teacher has finished this chapter. Done. The teacher has.
yes, sir, done.
Huh. My mom has cooked the food. 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 Rita sent a telegram. Rita sent a telegram. Rita had sent a telegram. Written. Go on writing. Rita had sent Rita had sent the telegram. Written, Nikhil? My audio video going?
Yes, sir.
Audio video going now? Then write, he was teaching on laptop. He was teaching on laptop. He was teaching on laptop. रिटर्न ही
Yes,
वाज
sir.
टीच। कितना सेंटेंस हुआ बताओ?
Sir, 13.
13. Now stop it. Okay, and tell the first one. I will tell you the answer.
He is writing a letter.
Very good. He is writing letter. ऐसे ही बोलते जाओ. Now write the answer. A letter is being written by him. A letter is being written by him. A letter is being written by him. Written.
Yes, sir.
Next answer. Tell me.
The,
Next.
the labor are cleaning the room.
Now write down. The room is being cleaned by the labor. The room is being cleaned by the labor. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next बोलो.
Mohan is polishing the shoes.
हाँ हाँ बोलो.
Mohan is polishing the shoes.
ठीक है. The shoes are being polished by, जो है नाम वो लिख दो. क्लियर? एक मिनट हम कट करते हैं. ठीक है, स्क्रीन मेरा कहीं गायब हो गया. कट करते हैं, फिर से रिज्वाइन हो जाएगा कि चलने दे. मेरा ऑडियो वीडियो जा रहा है मेरा. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
वीडियो आ रहा हमारे पास. का पता कैसे गायब हो गया, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
सर
खैर
शेयरिंग स्टॉप कर दीजिए.
है.
सर
बोलो.
शेयरिंग स्टॉप कर दीजिए.
शेयरिंग स्टॉप करे. यू आर शेयरिंग स्ट्रीम, पॉज स्ट्रीम. हाँ फिर भी नहीं आ रहा है जी. मेरा कहाँ.
सर पॉज नहीं है, स्टॉप कर दीजिए. स्टॉप.
अच्छा स्टॉप करे. हाँ अब आ गया. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. ओके अब बताओ. हाँ बोलो निखिल. वेरी गुड, आगे बोलो भैया. ओके.
Who has broken the window?
हाँ लिखो. बाय whom had the window. बाय whom. अंशुमन बनाते जाओ.
Yes, sir.
By whom had the window been broken? By whom had the window been broken? By whom had the window been broken? आगे बोलोगे तुम लोग. आगे क्या है बोलो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अंशुमान.
I will compose a poem.
I compose.
I will compose
अच्छा ओके.
a poem.
कौन बोल रहे हो, नाम बताओ अपना. अंशुमन रे. हाँ
Yes, sir.
ये संजीव सर के बच्चे हो अंशुमन.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है. वेरी गुड. ये निखिल कहाँ चला गया, नेट कट गया होगा. राइट डाउन. अ पोएम विल बी कंपोज्ड बाय मी. अ पोएम विल बी कंपोज्ड बाय मी.
Yes, sir. लिखिए.
आगे बोलो. नेक्स्ट.
A farmer plowed the field.
हाँ The farmer plowed the field. The field was plowed by the farmer. The field was plowed by the farmer. लिख लिया अंशुमन?
Yes, sir.
आगे बोल बेटा, आगे भी लिखे हो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
You
बोलो।
can win the prize.
हाँ, द प्राइज, वेरी
You
गुड।
can win the prize.
हाँ, समझ गए। द प्राइज कैन बी वन बाय अस। द प्राइज कैन बी वन बाय अस। रिटर्न, द प्राइज कैन बी वन बाय अस। नेक्स्ट लिख ले पहले।
Ram
WO।
has painted the picture.
हाँ, कौन?
Ram has painted the picture.
Very good. The picture. Write the answer. Sudhanshu, you are also writing. The picture has been painted by Ram. The picture has been painted by Ram. आगे बोलो।
Sir, लिख लिए.
हैं?
Who wrote the Ramayan?
हाँ,
Who
लिखो।
wrote the Ramayan?
ठीक है। By whom? by WHOM. By whom was the Ramayan written? Question mark. By whom was the Ramayan written? WRITTEN. By whom was the Ramayan written? और बोलो अंशुमन।
Sir, the teacher has finished the chapter.
The teacher?
The teacher has finished the chapter.
Very good. The chapter, write down. The chapter has been finished. The chapter has been, HAS, has been, BEEN, been finished by the teacher. लिख लिया है?
Yes, sir.
लिख लिया, आराम से लिख लो। पापा
Sir,
कहाँ है
लिख
जी?
लिए. Next, sir.
घर में है पापा?
पापा स्कूल
ठीक
में.
ठीक। कौन पिक्चर था, क्या लिखे अभी इसके पहले?
इसके पहले लिखे the teacher has finished the chapter.
The teacher has been finished, sorry, the chapter has been finished by the teacher हो गया। फिर
Yes, sir.
My
mom has cooked the food.
Very good. The food has है कि had है? HAS है कि HAD है?
HAS.
हाँ, ठीक है। The food has been cooked by my mom. The food has been cooked by my mom. और है, बोलो।
Rita has sent a telegram.
वेरी गुड। सब चला गया रे सुना? कोई बात नहीं। द टेलीग्राम, आंसर लिखो। द टेलीग्राम हैज बीन सेंट बाय रीता। रीता सीता जो भी है, राइट ऑन दैट वन। द टेलीग्राम has been sent by
Rita. Sir, हो गया.
हो गया. आगे लिखो बेटा, आगे लिखो.
She has teaching on laptop.
हाँ, ये छोड़ दो.
He was
हाँ,
he was teaching on laptop.
ना ना, वो गलत है, वो गलत है. हम तुमको दूसरा दे रहे हैं. राइट डाउन. नाउ राइट डाउन. The children were playing football in the field. The children were playing football in the field. Return. राइट डाउन. आराम से लिखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. द चिल्ड्रन लिखे.
Yes, sir.
क्या लिखे?
The children were playing football in the field.
Very good. The mechanic is repairing the bike. The mechanic is repairing the bike. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Next. I saw him playing Ludo. I saw him playing Ludo.
Yes,
I
sir.
saw him playing Ludo. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
You should help the poor. You should help the poor. रिटर्न.
Yes, sir.
अब पहले शुरू से फिर बोलो क्या क्या है, फिर आंसर देते हैं.
The children were playing football in the field.
The football was answer. Write down the answer. The football was being played The football was being played by the children in the field. The football was being played in the field. कर दो पहले. The football was being played in the field by the children.
By
The football was being played in the field by the children.
children.
Next.
The mechanic is repairing the bike.
The bike is, write down the answer. The bike is being repaired. RED लगाओ. The bike is being repaired by the
Mechanic.
The bike is being repaired by the mechanic. हाँ. Next.
I saw him playing Ludo.
लिख लो. I saw him. He was seen. He was seen as SEEN. He was seen playing Ludo by me. हो गया?
The next. Yes, sir.
और बोलो.
You should help. You should help the poor.
The poor should be helped by you. The poor should be helped
By you.
by you. और क्या है? और है कि हो गया?
No, sir. हो गया.
आगे लिखो. He said, what is your name? नरेशन बनाओ. He said, what is your name? He said, comma, within inverted comma, what is your name? Return.
Yes, sir.
I said to my friend, I said to my friend, return,
Yes, sir.
where do you live? Inverted comma में लिखो. Where, WHERE, where do you live? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
The teacher said, have you understood the chapter? Lesson, कुछ भी लिखो. Have, inverted comma में लिखो. Have you understood the lesson? बोलते जाओगे.
Yes, sir. हो गया.
कितना लिखे?
3.
आगे लिखो. मोहन said to सीता, मोहन said to सीता, you have broken my bike. Bicycle, कुछ भी लिखो. You have broken my bike. Return.
Yes, sir. हो गया.
Next लिखो. My father said, my father said, have you finished your homework? My father said, क्या लिखे? प्लीज स्पीक.
Sir, लिख लिए. Sir, लिख लिए.
लिख लिए. कितना हुआ? 5 हुआ.
Yes, sir.
पहला बोलो.
He said, "What is your name?
He said,
What is your name?"
he asked. Write down the answer. He asked what my name was.
हो गया sir.
Next बोलो.
I said to my friend, "Where do you live?"
I said to my friend, where do you live? I asked my friend. I asked my friend where I lived. I asked my friend where I lived. I asked my friend where I lived.
Live. हो गया
Next,
sir.
next.
The teacher said, "Have you understood the lesson?"
वेरी गुड. आज पहली बार हमसे पढ़ रहे हो ना अंशुमन?
Yes sir.
हाँ जी. The
Yes
teacher
sir.
asked. The teacher asked if I had understood the lesson. खुशी क्या हो गया बेटा? क्लास छोड़ के क्यों चले गए? क्यों क्लास छोड़ के चले गए? बोलो. और अभी लास्ट में आ रहे हो. खैर करो. हाँ जी, आगे बोलो अंशुमन.
Mohan said to Sita, you had broken my bike."
मोहन टोल्ड रीता या सीता जो भी है. मोहन टोल्ड रीता या सीता क्या है? सीता की रीता वो एक ही बात है.
Sita.
सीता. मोहन टोल्ड रीता सीता that she had broken his bike.
Sir, she had होगा ना.
हाँ, she as a she HAD had
She had.
broken BROKEN broken. She had broken his bike या बाइसिकल जो भी है.
Yes sir, हो गया.
और है कि
Yes sir, एक है. My father said, have you finished your homework?
my father asked if I had finished my homework. My father asked if I had
Sir, हो गया.
फिर लिख. The principal said the principal said लिखा.
Yes sir.
All student must attend assembly. All student must attend assembly. The servant said. Next, the servant said, I have done all the work. I have done all the
all the
I have done
work.
all the work. I said, I will go to Patna tomorrow. Return?
Yes, sir.
हाँ अब बोलो तीनों का.
The principal said all students must attend assembly.
The principal said that the principal said that all students should attend the assembly. The principal said that all students should attend the assembly. Next,